Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2009 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2009 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide with 32,136 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with a multifunction 2-speaker audio system and has been upgraded with Cobra mufflers, a windshield pouches, grips, docking hardware, chrome rider floorboards, an LED headlight, LED passing lamps, and LED turn signals. Powered by a 96 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Electra Glide puts 92 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Electra Glide has a 200 to 240 mile range. It has a 27.3 inch seat height and an 889 pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds, and the rear at 8/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted a front rocker box seat and the crash bar is bent. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scrapes on the left saddlebag and scratches on the left saddlebag lid. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.